Hi everyone, today I am going to solve one problem. So we are given a list of string or integer and we have to write a generic method which will remove the duplicate values from the list. Okay, so here I have defined two methods, remove duplicates and print list. Print list is a generic method which is just printing all the elements of the list. Okay, and remove duplicates I will implement it. Currently I am just iterating over the list which I am passing as an argument, and I am doing nothing, and I am returning the new list which I have defined over here. In the main method I have defined two lists, one of type string and another of type integer, and then I am just printing after calling the remove duplicates method. If I run it now, then nothing will be printed because in the remove duplicates I am returning new list which is empty. Now let's go ahead and implement this method. First of all, I will define a boolean variable is duplicate and I will set it to false. Then I will loop over all the items in the new list and I will check if the item in the new list is equal to element. So I will do this using compare to method, but for using compare to method I have to extend it in this method declaration signature, extends comparable t. Now I will be able to invoke compare to method. So compare to method will return 0 value if the item equals element, and if item is greater than element then it will return a positive value. If it is less than, then it will return a negative value. So if item is equal to element, then it is a duplicate value, and I can set is duplicate is equal to true. If we loop through all the items and did not find any duplicate value, then we will add that element to the new list. And then we are returning the new list. Now let me run this program and see if it works. Yeah, it works. So in the first list it should only print generic and Java. It is printing only generic and Java. In the second list it is printing only 1, 4, 6 and 10. 1, 4, 6 and 10. So that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.